हाय गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। टुडे वी आर एट हाइकिंग। ये एक ऐसी रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे आई ग्रू अप कमिंग एंड वी आर कमिंग हियर टू मीट two very special people, and they are going to show us a recipe and we're going to see the place around. Dad and Janet auntie with me, so come, let's go in. Okay, so we are at this table, and ironically, the last time I came here, which was 1 month ago, also I sat on this table only.
Okay.
Okay, Tad, let's start with you. Tell
Yes.
me, what do you? How has it been for you to be like a third generation to get into business here? Tell us a little about hiking as well.
So with hiking, I'm extremely proud to be the third generation. My family's worked extremely hard to get us to this point. If you think about Hyderabad, like there's not a lot of places that have been here for 53 years.
Yeah.
There's been a lot of legendary outlets in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is all about food.
Yeah.
So staying alive in the food business is just incredible.
Amazing,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I'm so privileged, honestly. Yeah.
But like I myself, I'm telling you, as a Hyderabadi, I myself have come to hiking so much. Like at one point, अगर Chinese food रहता था, हम लोग को मालूम रहता कि hiking ही आना है, literally.
Correct.
Okay, but tell me, the place, right? You must have. I mean, I'm not sure if you did, but I'm sure Auntie must have seen it grow as well. Auntie, you tell us, when did you join the business, and how was it for you?
Actually, my in-laws has started, and I'm the youngest daughter-in-law.
Okay.
So now I'm 35 long years with in hiking,
Yeah.
and the day I got married, the next day I started working with my mother-in-law. So I have learned so much from my mother-in-law. I know cooking, I know everything to handle in the kitchen. She has been lived for 2 years old. Then I have got so much time with her. That's why I have learned so much. And whatever cooking, whatever traditional cooking and culture and all, I have learned so much from her.
How nice, Auntie. Okay, but Dad, tell me, like, you must be seeing so, like, for example, my parents used to come here. Then, when they had children, we came here. Now, I have a child, I come here. So, I'm sure there must be so many people who've become like family, such familiar faces. Talk a little about that with us
Yeah,
as well.
so I think a lot of our guests, they've been like coming so much, like every celebration they had as a child, there's so much nostalgia for
Yeah.
them, right? Because every time they had they passed their 10th, it was a birthday, it was an anniversary, they came to hiking and everyone picked hiking. And I have so many friends whose grandfathers came and they were like, it was their favorite.
Yeah.
So every time they come once in a week or twice in a week, and I have a friend who literally showed me a bill from like 2000s.
Yeah.
And it's the same exact order they have every time. So like I'm so happy that they're still coming and like we're just maintaining the taste that we have. Yeah.
That is pretty incredible because I have been coming here for so many years and just exactly the taste I remember, including the fish that we see over there. Like I remember, coming here as a child and being you were so fascinated with the fish,
Yeah.
and even if you come back here, it just feels like home because it's
Correct.
been, you like you rightly said, so many of our celebrations have happened here, which is pretty amazing. Auntie, you tell us now that I'm sure you've been in Hyderabad for so many years now and everything. Have you seen a lot of like Chinese culture mixing with Hyderabadi culture?
Yes, I suggest them like because they love little spicy food,
Yeah.
So I suggest them like steam rice, which is
Traditional.
traditional and with mixed with ginger chicken or ginger prawn.
Yeah.
It tastes so good.
Yeah.
I always suggest them so many other item. All of the item is so good.
You eat spicy, Auntie?
Yes, I do.
A spice tolerance is a little low,
Yeah,
but we try.
but we try. Okay, Auntie, tell me like now, what is your personal favorite dish in hiking?
It's a ginger chicken.
Okay, Dad, you tell me what's your favorite.
I actually like the honey chicken a
Yeah,
lot.
I love the honey chicken. I literally always come here for the honey chicken. in
That good
fact.
taste.
Yeah. Amazing. Okay, Auntie, suppose I'm somebody who's coming to hiking for the first time, and I ask you, help me order. Can you tell me what would you order for me?
Hiking rice, hiking fried rice.
Amazing, Auntie. I'm very excited to even get the recipe from you. I'm so excited to get an insight over here. So, yeah. Dad, why don't you run us through what all we have on the table?
Yeah. So we've got our classic spring rolls.
Okay.
So these are like we make this daily, every day.
Okay.
It's a work technique.
Oh, wow.
Which is very difficult. It's a very difficult skill. So a lot of only the head chef does this.
Acha, okay,
so
nice.
that's his, job. And then we've got some noodles. We've got some veg manchuria.
Okay.
We've got thread chicken. This is a
Okay.
very favorite of all
Yeah,
of
I
us.
know. I always have it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We got some veg garlic rice
Yeah.
for the spice for
Yeah.
the.
Yeah.
And we got some chili garlic chicken.
Okay.
And some veg wontons.
Okay. Amazing. I'm excited.
So this is also people love, when they go home, they'll parcel this chicken pakoda.
Acha.
They'll have a couple, just chill with their friends and
Okay,
just snack
that's
on chicken
amazing,
pakoda, watch
yeah.
something.
I mean, whenever I come, I order the chicken pakoda for sure. It's the honey chicken, and then it's like the noodles and whatever, fried rice and stuff. I think, like, to be honest, I feel like the Chinese cuisine was introduced by hiking in Hyderabad. I think it was so revolutionary. And when I went to China myself, I think I was very excited to eat the Chinese
Chinese food.
food because I really expected food like hiking over there, and I didn't find anything like this. And that's when I was introduced. I got to know that the Chinese in India that you get
Yes.
is very Indianized to
Very
our
nice.
palate
Yeah.
and taste and everything.
Yeah.
I was shocked because I was very excited कि China जाके खाएंगे, but the food is very different.
It's very different.
Yeah.
Very different. Actually, we started, so like Hakka noodles, we're
Yeah.
Hakka people.
Acha, oh.
Yeah. So Hakka food is traditionally more, it's a little light. It's not
Okay.
as there's no spices. It's very clean. It's not
Yeah.
as spicy. It's not
Acha.
so
For
much.
us, Hakka noodles means it's
Yeah.
like very mirchi.
Yeah. So then we realized, like we started understanding the Hyderabad's palate, and we slowly started mixing,
Yeah.
like, blending the flavors, the spices.
Yeah.
And that was crucial for us because
Yeah.
at a certain point we didn't have a lot of guests coming in.
Yeah.
Because we were trying to figure out what's up with
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
is there something wrong with that?
Yeah.
And then we realized we just have to be Hyderabad.
Yeah.
And Hyderabad, actually, hiking is
Yeah.
actually Hoikin,
Oh.
which means Hyderabad Kingdom.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
So it's like we've truly become Hyderabad at this point.
So, Dad, tell me, like, how much does food run in like your family? Like, it's like a
Oh,
family thing.
We're a
right?
hardcore foodies. Like,
Yeah, I can
will
imagine.
eat anything and everything. And I love experimenting with new food. Yeah. And our family, actually, my grandmother, so she was super passionate about food.
Oh, nice.
And it was like my grandparents, they came up with this idea to start hiking, right?
Yeah.
And like she was really for it because she used to do catering in China when she was really young.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
nice.
so and she used to get pure joy from just serving people,
Yeah,
She
yeah.
used to be so happy. So when she came here also, like she was like something is missing,
Yeah.
and that's when hiking's idea came up, she was so happy because
Yeah.
she could do something regarding
Yeah.
food. So it's like truly within our blood.
Yeah, that's amazing. And I want to tell you the thread chicken tastes exactly like how I remember it. So it's amazing in terms of what you all are doing with the consistency of it and everything
Yeah.
as well.
That's what we try. We just try to, keep our grandmother's recipes alive.
Yeah.
And that's what we're aiming
That's
to do.
amazing.
Yeah. So if you want to talk about our team also, Rustam has been with us for 33 years. So
रुस्तम आप बोलिए मेरे को याद है मैं परसों मेरे एक फ्रेंड के साथ आई थी और आप उनको हाय बोल रहे थे और आप उनको बोल रहे थे आप जब से छोटे हैं मैं देख लूँ तो आप बोलिए आप कितने गेस्ट को देख रहे इतने सालों से
यहाँ पे 35 ईयर रनिंग चल रहा है मैडम। मैं 89 से ज्वाइनिंग किया था। माशाल्लाह अभी तक बहुत अच्छा है।
अच्छा मेरे को बोलिए अगर आपको एक नॉर्मल पर्सन यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे उनको ऑर्डर करने
चिकन इन हनी सॉस इज गुड मैडम।
just wanted to bring him in because
Yeah.
I think hiking has been running this long because of our team.
Actually, before you even told me, I was going to tell you that can we get one of them in because I'm telling you that day I came with my friend
Yeah.
and that friend was telling he was meeting I think him only.
Yeah.
And he recognized him, and then he was saying that I remember coming with my parents since I'm like 4 or 5, and
Correct.
he's seen me grow also. He's like 31
So it's
now.
so familiar. That's why I
Yeah.
think that comfort, that homeliness is there, Like our staff is like, he's been there for 30. There's a
Yeah.
lot of people who've been there for 20 plus years. And they've just been with us. It's more like a family than,
I know.
the team now.
But I feel like the Chinese culture is like so much similar to Hyderabadi culture.
It
We
is.
love feeding.
Yeah.
We love food.
We love.
We
Yeah.
love this homely atmosphere.
Correct.
Anybody who walks into a Hyderabadi's home becomes a
Yeah, proper.
yeah, ghar ke log. So I
Yeah.
feel like that's so common over here.
Yeah.
You know how there are different theories of 65, right?
Yeah.
Like one of them says that the in one restaurant a particular chicken was on number 65.
Hmm.
Then some say 65 masale jate. What do you
Oh.
think is the story for 65?
Like you said, there's a lot of
Yeah.
versions. But I think what they have verified is it was the year 1965 that the Bohari Hotel in Chennai, like I was saying,
Oh, okay.
they are the ones who invented chicken 65, and it was the year 1965. That's why. And the other thing is that what we've also heard is that there was this chef, and he was like he was just like like he was interviewing in a kitchen and stuff.
Yeah.
And you know Hyderabad spices, right? You know the curry patta,
Yeah.
the chilies, the curd. So all of that was there around the kitchen, and they were like, make something. You know? And he created something.
Yeah.
Just managed to give it.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah.
And after that, he put some complex name,
Acha.
and so he put it on the menu. He put some complex name, and it was the 65th dish.
Okay.
So people couldn't
Yeah.
pronounce that complex name.
Yeah.
They're like, "Arey, 65 chicken." And then
Acha.
that's how it's sort of. That's
Yeah.
what I've heard.
Yeah.
Also.
Even me.
Yeah.
Auntie, tell us one festival you think is your favorite, Auntie, in India. Which one festival you really enjoy celebrating?
Usually Chinese New Year. No?
But do you get that feel of Chinese New Year here now?
Yes, we do the traditional way of like prayer and the food, everything. Like we get the unity, like what you say, unity dinner.
Yeah, so
no?
basically, I think we still try to, like I said, we try to keep some. It's a very small community here, right? So we keep the tradition alive by coming together. We have like a meal, and like we do like small activities, you know, tambola, all that stuff. So we all come together, we book a hall, and we just try to keep the community alive and try to still retain and not dilute our culture. So we try to stay true to our culture, but also with Hyderabad.
Adapt
Yeah,
to
adapt.
Hyderabad as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing, Auntie. But it's so nice. Like I'm just finding so many similarities between like Hyderabad and like the Chinese culture and
Yeah.
everything, which is pretty cool as well.
Yeah, even Diwali has become so
A
big.
part of
Yeah, because all of our team members, everyone,
yeah,
we do like a lottery system.
Yeah.
We buy a lot of gifts,
yeah,
we put it out,
yeah.
and we have like a lottery system.
Oh, how cute.
So everyone is super excited. Like, "Arey, what did you get? What did you get?"
Yeah,
You know, and like people are always jumping around and seeing.
yeah.
So we get a lot of good stuff. We get phones for them, and like you know, a lot of they get very excited.
Yeah, I
and it's pure joy seeing
Yeah.
that happiness in them.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
While we are sitting here, also Auntie is like so this thing about feeding all of us. It's amazing. So I can totally understand where you all get this great hospitality here
Yeah.
from as well.
And usually, when people come over, guests come over, I think we can't see them going like not even like full.
Yeah.
You want to see them like I'm so full, you know. I think that's always been with us. But we have to like.
But I
stop
don't
them.
think you all have to try hard at all because your food is honestly like fantastic and it's been fantastic and it hits straight to the heart, you know. And I wonder how many people watching this have not come to hiking because I truly believe that I don't think there's a true Hyderabadi who's not been to hiking, you
Correct.
know. So, yeah.
Everyone come to hike.
Yeah, who haven't, please come now. And now we have 3 branches also. One
Yeah.
is here, one's in Jubilee Hills, and one is in
financial district.
yeah. Father-in-law. Okay, I'm very excited for this one.
Yeah.
It's the honey chicken finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I'm very excited about. Guys, I just want to tell you the honey chicken. It's so perfect. It's a little crispy. It's a little sweet. It's a little like what I mean, spicy. It's all mixed. I really, I think it's one of my most favorite dishes. Not just in hiking.
And how did your YouTube journey start?
My YouTube journey started so randomly. I was in lockdown
Okay.
and I had nothing to do that time. And
Oh,
I
you
would
just
see,
started while lockdown.
yeah,
And you've
literally
grown it so
started in
big.
lockdown. So yeah, that's how it basically started. Okay, Dad, tell us a little about the honey chicken. Do you know how it actually came into, like, was it a thought process or did it come while experimenting? Auntie?
It's not experiment. It's my mother-in-law
Okay.
recipe.
Okay.
It's our traditional Hakka style.
Oh, that's amazing. It's like too good. Like I was thinking कुछ kitchen में experiment करते करते 65 type, but it's amazing, auntie. So what's your normal food like? Like हमारे घर में there's like chawal and salan and roti. What is your?
As if we still, I have to have hiking every day
Okay.
to maintain the quality. I'm just, I do random taste tests.
Yeah.
And every one of us, we just order some item, we're just like, so we're almost eating this every day.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah. And then by lunchtime, we usually have also staff food which is our dal rice. So we
Yeah.
eat dal rice almost every day.
Oh.
Yeah. And like, you know how when you travel abroad
Yeah.
and you're like eating their food and like, after like 1 week, you're like, oh, I want some dal
Dal
rice.
rice, yeah. All of us.
Like we end up ordering some butter chicken or some dal rice or
Yeah.
something. We'll go to some Indian restaurant out there.
Yeah.
So we are like my sister. She doesn't even like Chinese food. She likes Telugu food. She likes Indian food way more. Like every day she's eating that only. She loves pappu.
Oh.
Yeah.
Biryani.
I
think
biryani
biryani
to, without saying.
What do you think your favorite biryani is? That.
Like the brand.
Yeah. What do you? Where?
I like Pista House stuff.
No.
Like, funnily, so I was at a retreat like 2-3 weeks ago,
Huh.
and they have like these portion sizes stuff that health and
Yeah,
wellness.
yeah.
So they have portion size stuff, and it was amazing. My gut felt so clean,
Yeah.
and I was
I
like,
can imagine.
I was just like eating like I was even then I was like asking for more portions
Yeah.
because I was like so hungry.
Hungry. Yeah.
You know, Hyderabadis eat.
Yeah.
So I was like, just eating.
Yeah.
And then after the retreat, as soon as I got out of the place, first place I drove to Pista House.
Yeah.
I didn't even go home. I went to Pista House, and in 5 minutes that mutton biryani was out of my plate.
I can imagine. My husband also does that only.
Yeah,
He goes on this trash diet.
yeah. We just like, it was good. It was a cleanse, but then had to get back.
Cooking. What one thing you really love cooking?
I love cooking like noodles and rice, special Hainanese rice, and we call it hot pot rice.
Nice.
Yeah, there are so many items. Maybe one day you can try my home food.
Yeah, it's like
Yes,
a
auntie.
Chinese biryani, if you say. In
Yeah.
other words.
Yeah.
It's called Moon Fan, and she loves baking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, she's been like doing a lot of
Then
courses and all that.
Is it time to introduce bakery items into hiking?
You guys should test.
We are in the kitchen. And we are with auntie who has changed.
Vikram kहाँ पे?
Chalo, auntie, what are we making, auntie?
हाँ,
Tell.
Vikram बना दो ना.
Chicken 65.
Okay, amazing. Let's go make it.
Today we are making chicken 65.
Okay.
And you can make same masala with a vegetarian.
Acha, okay,
So
amazing.
this is like salt.
Okay,
This is dhania powder.
Okay.
And this is curry powder.
okay,
And green chili and curd, yogurt.
got it.
And this is red chili powder.
Okay,
And this is little sugar.
okay,
And this is imlika chutney.
okay,
Okay?
amazing.
We can start.
Done.
Even you can marinate little bit and corn flour and all. You can fry it like kopi 65.
Okay, got it.
And paneer also you can have.
Okay, so
If it
how
is
much?
vegetarian.
What should the proportion be?
It's 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour.
Okay, perfect. Okay, auntie, I'm excited to try it.
Tablespoon of oil.
Okay.
We can start with chili
Okay.
and we can start this one.
Okay.
Kari patta. And we can have plum.
We missed saying there's garlic. We
Garlic?
have to put garlic. Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
And chili powder
Okay.
and dhania powder. And curd
Okay.
and little only chutney. And maybe a little bit of water.
Nice.
Then you cook 2 minutes.
Okay. I love the smell though. What is this, auntie? Fried chicken?
Chicken.
Okay. I know it will be amazing, auntie.
You all come and try.
Amazing, auntie. It's spicy,
Little spicy they put, no? Yeah.
but good. I like it. Can't wait for you all to try it.